Hello everyone, this is Ami Diamond from SharePoint Wizard. If you like my channel, subscribe. In this episode, I'd like to show you a new feature in the SharePoint pages, and let's see what it is. So let's create a new page. We'll choose the new and click the page. Let's choose the basic template. Um, and now we have some text here. What we will do is I'll change this section to be I'll go to the edit properties and change it to one column. Now we have some text here, and let's see what we have. So under the paragraph style, we can choose between heading 1, 2, 3, and pull quote. So let's say I want this to be heading 4 or heading 2, which is bigger, and I can also choose a pull quote. So this is actually what we had until now. Let's see what we have new. Here we have a pull quote drop down of styles. So let's see the possibilities. First one is intense. So I will mark this title, and actually I chose the first option, which is intense. We see that it put it in this way. Now let's choose a boxed one. You see this has changed this with a frame. So this looks nicer. Let's bring it back and see what else we have. We can also choose a side border. So you see only on the left we have this border. And we can also choose a quote icon. So we see here a quote. Seems like it, let's bring it back. Maybe I didn't want this. That was too much. So let's just choose only the quote. And we see this quote here. I don't know if it's possible to add maybe in future a quote also on the other side. But this is what we have. Now let's see. Now we can choose alignment. So we can choose alignment to the left, and we see the text is on the right and the quote is on the left. We can choose center. Now the quote is in the center, and we can choose right, and the quote is on the right. So choose what you like, and see you in the next episode. Goodbye.